Have you ever wondered if you've been banking wrong this entire time? You ever think about how leaving your money in a traditional bank while inflation continues to rise is actually costing you money? I mean, how would you feel if there was an open secret about banking that would supercharge your financial situation? But because traditional banks need to make a profit, it's not taught to you or the 95% of the population. Well, listen up because it's called the infinite banking concept. And this might just change the way that you think about money. The infinite banking concept isn't just for the risk takers or big shots. It's for anyone who's tired of being held back by traditional banking rules. With this game changer here, you become the boss of your own debts and expenses. If you're gonna borrow money throughout your life anyway, why wouldn't you borrow it from yourself? I'm not talking about spending your own hard-earned money and buying everything in cash. I'm talking about using that hard-earned money as collateral and never interrupting the compound interest of your money and having it continue to grow in a secure account. No more waiting on banks to call the shots. No more feeling like your money is locked away and you can't access this. This process gives you the keys instead of handing them over to the traditional banks. So now you can operate on your terms. Is infinite banking just for entrepreneurs? Hell no. Why should banking only be for entrepreneurs? Entrepreneurs have just been exposed to this concept before the bulk of the population because of the nature of their lifestyle. It's about finding the most efficient way to make, grow, and keep your money as an entrepreneur and live the lifestyle that you choose. But I believe it's time that regular people who may not really care about living that entrepreneur lifestyle to understand that this concept can help people take control instead of large institutions having that control. It's like we're not here to play small, we're here to thrive, all of us. So if you're ready to break free from the old ways and step into the world where you're in control, let's do this together, man. It's time to make banking work for you. I'm sure you're killing it at your 9 to 5, but does it ever feel like your financial growth is stuck in first gear? Listen, there's a way to turbocharge your money without ditching the security of your job. I understand how scary it can be if you've ever thought about entrepreneurship but can't take the leap because the thought of being unstable. But I'm telling you now, you can have both. You can have both. You can have the security of your 9 to 5 and have your money working for you while you sleep. It's like giving your paycheck a superhero cape and saying, hey, let's go. Turn your W-2 income into a powerhouse of wealth. Say goodbye to the limitations of traditional savings accounts. I know there's some high yield savings accounts out there now, but who knows for how long? And what happens when you take that money out of the bank? How much interest do you earn? Zero. You don't earn anything because you take the money out. With infinite banking, you got tax-free growth and access to cash when life throws you a curveball or whatever, right? Without interrupting the growth. That's the part that's so powerful. I mean, but why should you bother with this little thing called infinite banking? It's because it's the ultimate financial hack and I don't even really want to call it a hack, but it's the ultimate warehouse for people who want to build a solid future while keeping their jobs today. Are you ready to take the reins of your hard-earned money? Let's make your money work as hard as you do. Restructure your mindset, reposition your wealth, recycle your legacy. This is reinvestment banking.